Today, we're going to walk through how to install a flush mount on the manual transfer switch version 2. Before we get started, here's everything we'll be working with. We have the flush mount kit, the mounting screws. The flush mount kit comes in 4 sections: the bottom piece, the top piece, the left side, and the right side, along with the mounting screws. First, dry fit all 4 pieces around the transfer switch to identify their correct positions: top, bottom, left, and right. This helps ensure proper alignment before securing anything. Once everything is positioned correctly, begin by securing the left and the right flush mount pieces. Use 3 screws per side and tighten them evenly so they sit flush against the transfer switch. Before fully tightening, adjust the left and the right pieces as needed based on your wall thickness and site conditions. Make sure the frame sits level and flush. Next, install the bottom flush mount piece. Line it up evenly with the left and right sections, making sure everything is square. Then secure the bottom piece to the side sections using the 4 screws, 2 on each side. Tighten them evenly to lock the frame together. At this point, the flush mount frame should feel solid and properly fitted around the transfer switch. And that's it. Your flush mount installation for the manual transfer switch version 2 is complete. Don't forget to like and subscribe at Nature's Generator for more content.